Redneck Garage fans. We're bringing another unboxing video. Just a friendly reminder, hit that like, that bell, that share, and that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check out the links. Everything you see in this video, there will be a link to it for Amazon, which is where I purchased this here product. Now with that said, I got the good old laptop out today. I'm going to read you all the specs for what I think is in this box. Now I ordered 2 items. I ordered more than that, there's more coming. But 2 items are supposed to be here today. I come home to 1 box. So I don't know if both items are in this box. As large as this box is, I have an idea which item is in here because the other item's a lot smaller. But we'll find out if I actually got both items or not. It says they both arrived today. So let's break out this knife here. And we're going to cut her open. I have not been in this box. I've been patiently waiting to do this video so I can check it out. Now, there will be an installation video maybe coming this weekend. Hopefully. I don't know. I want to get some riding in. But probably, because I want to get this on. I want to do the installation video. There will be links in the description as to where you can get this bad puppy. Now, once I get it open and you see what it is, I'll tell you how much it costs. And we're going to go over all the box was damaged. How nice is that? Okay. Looks like both items were shipped in the same box. We don't need that. I'll put the knife away. We'll go over this one in a second, because that's not for this. It can be, but it's not. I've had this knife here about, 10 years, probably. This one, it come in a set. The other one's out in the garage. I paid $16 for the set at the flea market. They wanted like 30, and I asked the guy what his bottom dollar was, and he said just to move them, 16 bucks. Frost cutlery. They're cheap knives. I have sharpened them myself. Anyway, inside this box, we have here a 32-inch. It's a 32-inch LED light bar. The name brand is DWVO. It is an off-brand bar from Amazon, and it costs $45.99. We're gonna see if it's worth it. It smells like packaging. Now it says it's 48,000 lumens. I think that's a typo. I think it's 4,800 lumens, and it does have the upgraded chipset. It comes with 8-foot wiring harness. And it's got the fog lamp. It's for marine boating. It's IP68 waterproof. It's got the spot and flood combo beam. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. That's not bad as long as they actually back the warranty, which I've never had a problem with anything I've bought on Amazon. If you have an issue with a company, you just call Amazon. They will make it right with you, regardless. So a lot of times they'll just issue your money back. I've had that a lot. They just give you your money back. They don't even want the product back. Now, the new upgraded chipset, which is the LEDs, they have a lifespan of 50,000 hours, which is typical for a good LED bulb. That is what you want to see. I think you'll probably get more than that out of them, but half the people don't keep the same light bar that long or use it that long, and They smashed into a tree. Let me get this box out of the way here a little bit. There's stuff in there. We'll go over it. Now, this light bar is pretty heavy. Looks pretty nice. It's plastic, but I did see the reviews. People are loving this thing. It is aluminum casing. It's IP68 waterproof, which is awesome. Now, it feels really good. Looks like it's made pretty good. I wish this was glass, but then again, at the same time, a rock would shatter glass. At least it's not going to shatter this plastic. Plus, if you ever had to, you could probably get a piece of Lexan or something and redo it real fast and easy. This must be the spot, and this must be the flood. You guys see this thing? It's pretty heavy for what it is. It's not bad. I'd say a couple of pounds. Am I still recording? Gotta keep an eye on that sucker.
You're recording.
It likes to stop recording. Let's set it back down. I don't really want to scratch my table. Aw, they don't give you enough wire. Psych! It says it comes with 8 feet. 8 feet of wire harness. And that, like I said, that bar is a 32 inch. Okay? It's not curved, it is straight. I wanted straight, so I bought it. I do not like that fuse, that link. We will be changing that out for a better waterproof design. Or we could just put some dielectrical grease in there. We could do that. Not that the link's bad, it just don't look very water resistant. We also will be putting dielectrical grease in this relay. It comes with a switch, on and off. We're cutting that off. I ordered switches for it. The switches that I ordered will be in the link in the description, so check that out also. Wiring is pretty thick. This thing says it's 390 watts. If it is, this wiring actually looks like it could handle it very well. It's got all real thick power wires. What is the gauge on this? 16 gauge. Smells like rubber. Don't smell like China, even though it is. Now, we will be upgrading these little terminals, and we'll do that in the installation video. Okay, and every little connector will be put in dielectrical grease. But I don't like the little cheap terminals. The wire harness seems okay. These terminals will probably do it, but they're real thin. They're cheap, chintzy. But what do you expect? $45. Laptop? Don't turn off. What else in the box? The little L brackets, all the bolts and screws. The L brackets are, they're a stamped steel. Let's see if I can get you guys. I don't want to take anything out of the pack yet. Right there, they're just an L bracket, standard L bracket. They're really thick actually. They're not flimsy. That's a good thing. Okay, now, the only reason I'm gonna get to this product and review this product in the same video is because they'll actually work for this light. I did not buy them for this light. I bought them for LED whips that I ordered. We're gonna go ahead and open these because I'll just stick them in that box. Let me get this fucker away out of here. Because like I said, we'll do an installation video for you guys. You like my shirt? Can you read it? Read the, yeah, catch me a renegade. How about that? Anyway, we're gonna open this. These are brackets for bars, the bars. And they do, there's way more information right here in front of my face. They cost $11.95. They do 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 1.75 inches, and 2 inch. Also, they come with all the little different things. For light bar, bull bar, tube clamp, roof roll cage holder. This is made by LAMPHUS Cruizer. These are the horizontal bar. They do have the other different kind of bar. I'll put a link in the description for those as well after we see how well these are made. Comes with some 3M tape. Supposedly you can use that as a shim or something. I don't know. We'll find out. These are aluminum. They come, I thought they said a 10mm bolt hole, but there's plenty of meat there. If you got to drill it out, you'll be fine. But I don't think you'll have to drill it out any. These must go there. Something like that. I don't know which one goes to what yet. Doesn't look like it matters. And then these are your little shim thingies that go inside here as well. And they got little rugged things on them so they don't slip on your bar or in your clamp. That's pretty cool, actually. And then they just go together like so and clamp down on your bar. And then your light bar, if you don't want to drill any holes, I'm going to drill holes in my roof, but I don't want to drill holes in my frame, so I'm going to use these for my one for my side-by-side and one for my wife's side-by-side. I'm going to use these for the LED whip lights so I can put on the back at an angle, because I don't want to drill any holes in my roll bars. But the link will be in the description for these. These are like a good rubber, very rubbery and pretty tough. I don't want to go breaking them, but pretty tough. They come with the screws and the Allen key, and looks like some lock washers. We will be installing those, and we'll probably put Loctite on them too. A blue Loctite so I can get them off if I ever need to, not a red Loctite, because you never get them off. But guys, that concludes the unboxing of this video. Definitely stay tuned, because I'm going to try and get the installation video done this weekend. The rest of my stuff will be here. Should be by Friday, it says. And I want to do an unboxing video on that. I'm going to do an unboxing video on that separately on what's left that's coming. And I'm going to do a separate installation video. I don't want to make these videos too long. I don't edit these videos down that much. I don't really care to watch skip through videos myself. So you're more than welcome to skip through at your will if you need to. But I do appreciate you guys' support. I appreciate the subscribers. We're getting up there. I think we're close to 90 subscribers now. And I just want to say that I appreciate it. And we're definitely going to check out this stuff. Remember, I do stuff on a budget. I might throw a few expensive things in there here and there, but I try to do the budget stuff for you guys that like the budget stuff and don't want to go out and spend $500 on a light bar to take it in the woods and smash it up by accident. That light bar, actually, to me, it feels like a $250 light bar. Just the feel of it and the weight of it, and it's not a plastic housing. It has cooling fins that are like this thick down the back of it. And with a 2-year warranty, what more can you ask for $45? And then these are $11.95. And they are free shipping on orders over $25, of course. So Me being a ding dong, I ordered these first and then bought that. So I had to pay shipping for these, even though I think it came from the same company. So they made out on me. I ended up paying $18 for these things because I'm a ding dong. I could have canceled the order and redid it, but that's screw it. It's okay. These are worth $20. As long as they're as tough as they look, they're worth $20. But anyway, please check out the links down below. I'm gonna try to have this video uploaded tonight. It's Wednesday. We're gonna try. I normally don't do things till Sunday, but I've been trying to get more and more videos out because I want my channel to grow. And I would like for maybe some sponsors to send me things to do reviews on, and then what I'd really like to do is do some giveaways. I'd like to do some giveaways, but I'm not doing any giveaways until I get to 500 subscribers. Okay? Regardless, I'm not doing any giveaways till I get to 500 subscribers. If I get there, we'll start doing giveaways. You got my word. So, like, share, and subscribe if you want to be a part of a giveaway. And that. So, alright guys, that concludes the video. Redneck Garage out. Peace!